Hello, guys. A little note for week 3, another note, second video of the week. So this is the ptable.com website that I mentioned earlier. And if you hover over an element, okay, so here we'll hover over carbon, okay. Over here on the left, you'll get a blow up of the element and it will tell you the atomic number and the atomic, which is 6, which is also the number of protons. And then over here in the smaller, it'll tell you the number of electrons and how many are in each shell. So here's 2 electrons in the first shell, 4 electrons in the second shell for when you're drawing Bohr diagrams. And then the atomic mass is right around 12. So there'll be some decimal points in there, but this is an approximation. So the atomic number and the number of electrons is usually pretty close to the atomic mass. And then what's cool is it tells you where they are in their electron shells. And then also, if you click on the element, it goes into a detailed explanation about where you'll find it in the everyday world, and it'll give a little brief description about it. Okay, so it's a pretty informative p-table, periodic table. I'll do one more. All right, here's beryllium. Okay, so that is highlighted over here. And as I said, it's an estimate. So here its atomic number is 4. Here's the number of electrons. There's 2 in the first shell, 2 in the second shell. And when you add those together, now this is 9, so it's a little bit off, but it'll give you a pretty close estimate. And let's just take magnesium, for example. Okay, atomic number of 12, which is also the number of protons. And then you take 2 electrons in the outer shell. The second shell can only hold 8, so there's 8 there, and then there's 2 in the third shell. And so if you add 12 and then this 12, it's 24.3, but so 24. It gives you a good idea of about where the mass would be. So that's all I wanted to go over is this periodic table for now, and I will be contacting you again this week. Take care.